Hello, I'm Patricia DeSantos. Builder confidence for building new single family homes rose about 1 point in the first quarter of 2026. Building affordability worries persist, tied to elevated costs for land, labor, and construction materials. With no major steam behind the building of more units, buyers should look to existing resale homes for their buying options. I know the inventory is low, but more and more homes come on the market every day. The key is to work with an experienced realtor. Call me and I'll go over what I consider the best purchase opportunities for your price point today. There is no obligation. Something to think about.